All right, we're going to talk about knife skills now. One of the biggest questions we get in the kitchen is how we can speed things up, and having some good knife skills can really make things a lot easier for you in the kitchen. One of the ingredients we use most often for a lot of soups and sauces are onions. So let's talk about dicing an onion. You just want to make sure you have a comfortable grip on your knife, holding it more forward on the handle, closer to the blade. You may notice a lot of chefs will actually hold it right by the blade. This is to give you more control with your knife. The other part of knife safety is how you're holding whatever it is you're cutting. This is the hand that gets cut more often. A lot of people will hold on to their vegetables with all their fingertips out, and that's usually where most of the cuts happen. So if you can practice doing the claw, we teach everyone day one, we get taught in cooking school, using the claw. It tucks all your fingertips away, including your thumb, to make sure that you are as safe as possible in the kitchen. It may be something that feels a little bit awkward at first, but the more you practice it, the easier it can become. To get started with our onion, I'll start by cutting off a little bit from the top here. The end on the core end here, we use a lot in the kitchen to help the onion stay together. So when we're dicing it, our layers don't fall apart. So for this end, I really like to cut off the least amount possible, just kind of those bits that might be getting a little bit messy on your cutting board. The root end here, we're going to cut through our onion. Once it's cut in half, it's a lot easier to peel off any of the excess skin that you may want to get rid of. That's ready to go. Now, our root end is here. Because I'm right-handed, I'm going to keep the root end on the left-hand side. I'm going to cut most of the way through the onion horizontally, but not all the way through that root end that I'm trying to keep intact. I'm going to keep my hand together in the claw, this time holding the onion down so that the onion won't move around on me. We're going to start doing horizontal cuts. I'm doing a bit of a sawing motion with my knife, cutting most of the way through the onion, but not all the way through, keeping that core intact. We'll do one more cut most of the way through. And now we're going to start doing vertical cuts. So again, I don't want to cut through my root end. We're going to cut down through the onion, cutting most of the way through. And there we go. Now that we have it at this point, the onion's still holding together, and we can just start cutting down to get our diced onion. If you have any more questions, give us a call or visit the website.